Crypto Hero here, and today we're looking at 5 cryptos to buy this month, crypto coins that could explode in this period and get us huge gains. Don't forget that everything I share on the channel is not financial advice, just what I'm personally doing. Now let's get straight into the coins. I'm excited to discuss Purple AI as our main focus today. It focuses on ensuring that your efforts and intelligent decisions are worthwhile, particularly through its Pi token. Purple AI effectively incentivizes its users by merging economics with a profound grasp of genuine user desires. I'm genuinely hopeful about their approach of allocating 1% from each Pi transaction and the overall platform income towards creating a weekly reward pool. This pool is designed to give back to the users, making the rewards worthwhile to users. The standout aspect for me is how they select recipients for these rewards. It primarily involves around the duration for which you've held your tokens and your dedication. This method makes it more challenging for those who engage in quick transactions, ultimately contributing to the stability and growth of Pi. Their system is crafted to be intelligent, self-adjusting, and dedicated to encouraging behaviors that are advantageous to the Pi community. In short, Purple AI aims to reward prolonged involvement and informed participation in the cryptocurrency realm with Pi. It's an approach that transforms participation into not only a beneficial, but also an enriching experience. It's a strategy that feels both stimulating and equitable for all involved. Right now, Purple AI is valued at $12.6 with a total market worth of about $12.2 million. The thing that really catches my eye is its exclusive supply of 1 million Pi tokens, all of which are out there in the market, as you can see on CoinMarketCap. Looking at the trading chart, I found it's reached our initial buying limit, as you might notice on the chart, but my advice is to still keep an eye out for a dip between $12 to $7 to grab some. From what we've seen lately, this range is looking like a sweet spot for getting in. At the moment, $17 seems to be the tough spot Pi is trying to break past. Breaking this resistance could really send its value flying. In terms of selling, aiming for $25 first, then possibly stretching to $40 for a midterm plan feels about right to me. And if the market really gets going, I wouldn't be surprised to see Pi hit $70 or more. This belief is based on my own dive into the charts and numbers, and I've got a good feeling about where things are headed. Before getting into the next crypto, I want to remind you that I have a private community where me and my members made lots of money in the last month. For example, if we scroll down, we have this post about Jupiter, when no one was speaking about the Solana ecosystem and the big upcoming hype on it. Here you can see at what price I recommended it and how much Jupiter I bought, as well as the next buy zone. Now, if we get to the chart, we can see that we're having a 150% increase, which means all members almost tripled their money. If you want to join my private community and find out my next 100 times crypto investments, check out the link in the description and let's make millions together. Moving on to our second pick, Fusionist, also known around the gaming world as Ace. I also want to welcome gamers and blockchain enthusiasts here especially. I'm excited to tell you why Fusionist has caught my attention. Imagine a game that's not just about the play, but revolutionizes how we connect and strategize in the digital realm. Fusionist is unique because it operates on its own mainnet called Endurance, making it a prime choice for strategy game fans and digital collectors alike. And since it's available on PC, it's accessible to a broad audience. Now let's talk about the tokens. Fusionist utilizes Ace and Boat tokens. Ace is central to the game's economy, rewarding players, while Boat increases your standing and unlocks more rewards and perks. And get ready as the mainnet Endurance 2.0 is on its way, blending gaming with social features and new financial opportunities. I'm really excited about what's next for Fusionist. It's a game changer for both the gaming and blockchain worlds, and I can't wait to see where this adventure takes us. The future is indeed looking promising. Ace is currently trading at $9.87 with a market cap of $216 million as seen on CoinMarketCap. After analyzing the charts on TradingView, I suggest waiting for a slight dip in price before considering entry. My recommendation is to buy in phases, with the initial purchase around $8 and the second phase around $5, which is a major buying level. There seems to be resistance around the $13 level, but once surpassed, the price could potentially reach $16 in the short term. With further holding, Ace has the potential to achieve the $24 mark in the midterm, potentially increasing your investment by 300 to 400% in a matter of time. Our third choice is XAI, a game changer in how we play video games. XAI is making a big splash in merging the fun of gaming with blockchain smart tech. This means gamers like us can own and trade game items in a snap without getting tangled up in the usual crypto hassle. XAI stands out because it's built on this cool technology called Arbitrum, thanks to the smart folks at Off-Chain Labs. This setup lets every game item or character hold real value in the real world, creating a strong bond between developers and gamers. What's awesome about XAI is its fast, secure, and cheap network that boosts blockchain gaming to the next level. It builds on Ethereum's reliability and adds its own twist with speedy processing, making our gaming experiences smoother. For anyone keen on diving deeper, XAI lets you run a Sentry node from your home or the cloud, helping keep the network safe while earning rewards. And for the top gamers, there's the Vanguard League. It's not just about playing, it's about shining, achieving, and joining a group of elite gamers. With XAI, we're stepping into a thrilling future of gaming where we truly own part of our digital worlds. XAI is currently at the $1.24 mark, with a market cap of $343 million as per the latest data from CoinMarketCap. When I take a look at its chart on TradingView, I believe it's a good time to add this coin to your portfolio at the current price levels. I've also noticed a strong support at 97 cents, which could act as a DCA point in bearish scenarios. There's a bit of resistance at the $1.60 mark, but once XAI breaks past that, I'm expecting a smooth climb to about $2.8 in the short term, and if you're in it for a bit longer, there is potential to see it hit $4.30 in the midterm. So in my view, it looks like a smart time to get into XAI or to set up your position. It seems poised for some exciting growth ahead. Let me tell you about our fourth pick, RUNE. I'm really excited about this one. RUNE Network is all about making the digital world, especially the metaverse, easy and open for everyone. Think of it as building blocks for online worlds where everything works together smoothly. This platform is built on a technology that makes sure everything runs fast and safely. What I love most is how RUNE makes getting into the metaverse a breeze. You don't need to jump through hoops with different tokens. You can use any token you like, or sometimes you don't even have to pay these fees yourself. It's all about making things less complicated for us and helping the system work better for everyone involved. RUNE is also creating some cool tools that make digital items work better together. This means we can build more exciting and connected online spaces. I'm really pumped about the idea of a digital world where everything connects seamlessly, where it's easy for anyone to jump in and explore or create. RUNE Network is pushing us towards that future, making the digital universe a place of endless opportunities and connections. For anyone interested in building or exploring new online worlds, RUNE is lighting the way forward. Now let's talk numbers for a moment. RUNE is trading at 10 cents right now with a market value of $111 million. You can check this out on CoinMarketCap for the latest stats. Based on what I've seen on the TradingView chart and according to my own analysis, grabbing RUNE at just under 9 cents seems like a smart play. It's like finding a hidden gem at a bargain price. For those looking at the near future, aiming to sell around the 25 cents mark could be a good strategy. And if you're in it for a bit longer, maybe hold out for that 40 cents level. But I would also suggest considering RUNE for the long term. We're looking at the possibility of seeing returns that could multiply your investment by 20 to 30 times. It's opportunities like this that really make me optimistic about what's ahead for RUNE. Let's talk about Morpheus Network, our fifth and final pick. This platform is a game changer for the global supply chain, a massive industry worth over $15 trillion. What catches my eye is how it's making things better by tackling problems that even the big shots at the World Economic Forum have pointed out. Imagine having a team that knows their stuff about blockchain, the Internet of Things, AI, and more, all working to make shipping and trading as easy as pressing a button. They're using smart contracts to make sure everything in the supply chain talks to each other seamlessly, from contracts to shipping labels. Plus, you can pay in almost any currency or cryptocurrency, which is pretty handy. They even work with FedEx to make sure you can track your package every step of the way and use Ripple for easy payment settlements. Safety is a big deal for them too. They've teamed up with Hackenproof to make sure their platform is as secure as Fort Knox, connecting with top-notch security experts worldwide to keep things tight. The team behind Morpheus Network is all in on clearing out the old hurdles of global trade. They're all about making things faster, safer, and more open, helping businesses and governments get their goods where they need to go without a hitch. Their dedication to pushing the envelope is making the supply chain smoother and more reliable for everyone involved. In short, Morpheus Network isn't just building a platform, they're paving the way for a smarter, more connected supply chain future. And that's something I'm really excited about. MNW is currently priced at $1.21 with a market cap of $56.9 million, as you can see on CoinMarketCap. After looking at the chart on TradingView, I suggest you buy this coin anywhere below the $1.20 mark. For those of you eyeing short-term gains, aiming for sale targets around the $2 mark seems reasonable, and if you're thinking a bit further ahead, setting your sights on $3.50 could be a good midterm strategy. However, I see MNW as a keeper for the long term. The supply chain sector is no small potatoes. It's a trillion-dollar arena poised for significant growth in the years ahead. With that in mind, I genuinely believe MNW has the potential to go past the $30 level. So, for those looking to make a smart investment in a sector that's only going to get bigger, keeping an eye on MNW could well be worth your while. So these are my picks for this month. I recommend you watch this video next. It'll help you make more money in this bull market.